Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a complex hip roof. Now, this type of complex hip roof is one of the hardest ones you'll ever see in your life. But I'm not sure if there's anyone harder than this one, but I seen the most hardest I seen is this one right here. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to draw the shape and then we're going to find the largest possible rectangle. So line, I already see one, go down here, go down there, go up here, and you can do this or you see, enter, click there, and after that, after you find the largest possible rectangle, circle, probably click here, click there, or line, click here, click there, click there, and escape or enter. Yeah. Yes. Oh my god, bro. Circle. Click right. Where's the click right here? Go up there. Oh, wrong base point. I should probably use M2P, but nah. After that, click here, click there, escape, line, click there, and delete these circles if it confuses you a little bit. After, circle again, click this point, click there, circle again, click there, click that, circle again, click there, click that, L, enter, click there, click that, click there, escape, enter again, click there, click. Also, remember to go into OSNAP, OSNAP, to enable quadrant. If you don't have that, then you won't find like this part right here. Excuse me. You won't find this point right there. So, and if you don't know how, just type OSNAP, OSNAP, and make sure endpoint is on, midpoint is on, center is on, quadrants. This is the one right here, and perpendiculars are on. Alright. Now delete this circle, delete this. You don't have to delete the circles. If they confuse it, you can delete them. Cut from here, or enter trim, turn this axis out, turn this out. No, line, no. Line, and line, click here, TR, enter, trim, and TR, enter, click, click, no, not there. Okay, and oh, line, enter, click there, escape, TR, enter, click this, yeah, click this, click this, and after done that, line, enter, click from here, from there, line again, click from here to there, escape, line again, and click there, click that, escape, and you're done. After you've done this, you can trim this axis out, this axis out, this axis, this axis, and after that, now comes the hardest part, where even I sometimes struggle with.